Here at Batchelor Supply, we offer a variety of value-priced, innovative products to help sell your homes. All our wood cabinets offer the look and feel of premium cabinetry at a fraction of the cost. Designed to meet all of your high-end expectations, our cabinets include these features: all wood drawers with roller guides, cam lock assembly, hidden hinges, adjustable shelves, furniture grade finish, matching trim, moldings, and skin, as well as deluxe pantry cabinets. We offer these cabinets in cherry, oak, and dark brown to meet your interior design needs. Our cabinets are shipped unassembled to minimize damage during transit and reduce your warehouse storage cost. Assembling these cabinets is a snap. Let's join Mike for a quick demonstration. Hi Mike, what are we assembling today?
We are assembling a base 12 cabinet. Tools that's going to be required: you must have a screwdriver, and a drill with a Phillips head bit is needed. It's not required, but it does make it easier. First thing we want to do is disassemble the cabinet out of the box. The packing that comes in the cabinet comes in handy, gives you something to put under your cabinet so you don't damage the cabinet while you're putting it together. What I try to do is put all the parts together that go together, which will be your front frame component, and then your drawers. This particular cabinet's got a drawer in it, so we'll show you how to put the drawer together. Some of the parts you're not going to recognize and know what they are, but as we put it together, you'll realize where they go. And it does come with instructions. You'll take the plastic that comes with the cabinet. Like I said, you can use it to keep from scratching your face of your cabinet up. And I start with the sides and the front. The front of the cabinets have cam locks in it. This is where your sides are going to sit in the grooves and be locked into place. First thing you need to check as you're looking at the panel, this is going to be the front of the cabinet because this is where your toe kick is at. Make sure that when you look into the cams that they're open. As you turn the screw, you'll see that the cam locks and it comes to an open position. If you'll make sure that they're all open, it'll save you some headache when you go to assemble it. Place the side in the dadoed edge, and it will fit down over the cam locks. Take your screwdriver, turn them clockwise, and then lock into place. As you see, it becomes pretty sturdy. Just repeat the process for the other side. Make sure your locks are open. Place it in the dado edge. What we're going to do now is to go ahead and install the toe kick in it and the shelf, the floor for the cabinet. Once you put the bottom in it, you'll see the cabinet kind of twist and it's getting it in line. The toe kick, I have notches on it, as well as your cam locks in the back. Snap them in and lock them. The back lock, you notice it's got a dadoed edge in it to fit into the shelf. Got to make sure your locks are open. you'll be able to tell once you lock them. You'll feel it when it pulls that lock into place and latches the correct way. Now we want to put the back of the top in. The reason I know this is the piece with the back of the top is that this is, you'll see as we go on, is where the drawer guides are going to go into. So you install it. Make sure my locks are open. Lock them in place. And now your cabinet is put together. Now what we want to do is put the drawer together. These are all the parts for our drawer. I start off with the back first. These are pre-drilled. These are designed for your shelf to sit in it. We'll be using these to put in the top of the cabinet. That helps makes your cabinet square, as well as gives you something to attach your countertop to. The big long screws is the ones that are used for the put together of your drawer base. At this time, this is where I use electric drill because it's less work on your hands. Put it together. I try to do this where it's flat, so I know I've got it level. One side. Just always keep in mind that your dado edge is where your drawer is going to slide into your bottom there, so you don't put it together backwards, or wrong should I say. Okay, and we've got our drawer. I'm going to install the bottom of it. Make sure it fits down in the bottom of your dado. If it doesn't sit down there, this top's not going to fit proper. Just so you know, there's a hand pull on the bottom of the drawer, and this hand pull is designed to be on the bottom, as well as the doors. The doors would be on the top. On the drawers, it'll be on the bottom, so you can reach it. That has got your drawer assembled now. Now we're going to put the guides on the bottom of the drawer. That's what comes in the package here. These cabinets are designed that when you put the guides in them, there's not any adjustment that you have to make to them, so it makes it really easy to put your guides in. Got two guides that are put together. One of them's going to go on the drawer, which will be this one, and this one's going to go in the cabinet. The roller goes to the back of the drawer. If you try to put them on there any other way, they just won't work. You'll use the small screws that are provided in the kit. Push it in snug. And put your screws in her. Okay, now we're going to start with putting the track system in. We start with the catches that go in the back of the cabinet that receives the tracks. They snap in these holes in the back that receive them, and it goes with the tracking system pointing down. You snap them in place and install a screw in each one. Now it's ready for the tracks. The tracks only go in one way, so the drawer will work. So you put your corner to your corner. It takes 2 screws in each of the tracks, one at the top of the lip, one at the bottom of the lip, that holds the track system in. Okay, we're going to put the corner brackets in. That'll get your cabinet where your cabinet is square, as well as being able to attach your countertops to the top of it. This is where the drill really comes in handy, putting these screws in. Okay, you have to tilt your drawer down, put it over the top of your rollers, pick it up. Once it goes in, it'll lock in, and it won't fall back out. It locks into place. This is how you assemble a base 12. Base cabinet, a wall cabinet would be the same procedures, except for you wouldn't have your drawer that you would have to install.